Kadhi is a dish which is almost in every state from north to south of Asia. It is cooked in a different way at different places. Today's recipe is from Punjabi home style recipe. So watch it carefully. Welcome back to our channel. Happiness is homemade. So these are the ingredients. 2 cups yogurt, 1 liter water, sliced onion, 1/4 cup besan, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida and 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. First we'll take yogurt, 2 cups of yogurt, add 1 tablespoon salt, turmeric, asafoetida, half a cup gram flour, mix well. After all, kadhi is a combination of curd and gram flour. Then add 1 liter water and mix it very well. Water should be at least 6 to 7 times more. Now heat up a cooking pan, add 3 tablespoon oil. Then first thing to go in is fenugreek seeds. Then mustard seeds. One tablespoon cumin seeds. Sliced onion. Lightly cook this. Now 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fry it for a minute. 1 tablespoon red chilli powder. Now we'll add curd and besan mixture to it. Adjust the consistency and keep it on low flame for around 30 minutes. The more you cook the kadhi, the better it tastes. Let the kadhi cook on simmer and let's move to make the pakoda. Heat up a sufficient oil for frying the pakodas and let's make the pakoda batter. So these are the ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, take 2 cups gram flour, add salt to taste, coriander powder, turmeric, red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, pinch of baking soda. Mix all the dry ingredients first. Then finely chopped onion. And fresh coriander leaves. Now add little water to it. We want thick paste-like consistency. Don't add too much water at a time. So you can see the thick paste is ready. Now put pakodas in hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry it on low to medium heat. We want besan to be cooked nicely inside, so cook them slowly on medium heat. These pakodas are so yummy that half of the pakodas are eaten before it goes into curry. So our curry is cooking from last 20-25 minutes. It's thickened and reduced to half. We'll make one tadka for extra tempering. Heat some ghee or oil, 1 tablespoon ghee or oil, put red chilli powder and pour it onto curry. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves. So our kadhi pakoda is ready. Enjoy this Punjabi Kadhi Pakoda with steamed rice and experience the truly blissful feel of classic Indian comfort food. Hope you all like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and bye-bye.